How to disable direct messages on Discord Mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to disable direct messages on Discord Mobile, but before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, there's two ways of doing this. One is you can disable direct messages for specific servers, or the second way, you can disable direct messages for your whole account. So I'm going to show you both ways, but first I'll show you how to disable direct messages on a specific server. So here you can see I have the general server selected, and then what I'm going to do is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then if I scroll down you'll see it's got an option for direct messages. So you can allow direct messages from server members, so you can either turn this off or on depending on what you would prefer. So if you don't want to receive direct messages, just toggle it off. Next, I'll show you how to disable messages for your whole account. So tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on privacy and safety, and then about 3/4 of the way down you'll see server privacy defaults. So allow direct messages from server members. So this setting is applied when you join a new server. It does not apply retroactively to your existing servers. So if you want to tap that off, and then the next option is, do you want to also apply this change to all your existing servers? Then you just tap yes, and that's turned off direct messages. And that's what it takes to disable direct messages on Discord Mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.